Friends, today I will let you know how we can uh, apply the follow-up in your emails. Like if you have a multiple task and if you have a multiple emails you receive from the client and you want to set the follow-up on that particular emails for today and tomorrow and as per your requirement what date you want to set up the follow-up and also how we can categorize these calendar tasks and meetings in your calendars. Sometime you want to go your calendar profile and you will check your meeting will be coming or not, what time you'll be meeting, so we can organize. We don't need to go in calendars, then you can see here what meetings will come. Like we can add to-do list in your same Outlook profile. We don't need to go anywhere. We can check in this view page. Okay, so let's go to view, click on layout, and this is the first we can click on task. Okay, and like this is the first option we want to enabling the task. Like if we have received any email and we want to uh, schedule this task for tomorrow, so how we can arrange the task and how we can if we not missing this is the important task, so we can follow up this task for tomorrow or day after tomorrow or maybe the next week. So you receive this task and you can right click on this one and click on go to follow up. And if you have a for tomorrow, today and this weekend custom also available for this. Okay, so I will set for tomorrow. So this one automatically adding in your task. Okay, so tomorrow that will become and follow. You can see what task today you can today tomorrow morning you can see whole task and you can apply your meetings and send your invitation and send you can client call something like that. Okay, and then second option we can add calendar. Okay, you can check your dates like your tomorrow and day after tomorrow what date you will become, and also meetings also will be you can see here if any meetings come today and tomorrow all meeting list will be listed here, so you can check and without need to go any other page, just you can see your whole meeting list and you can join here and you can enabling your follow and tasks and reminders. So this is how we can set the follow in the emails and how we can uh, add meetings in your same page. So thank you so much. Have a good day.